What's up, everybody? Ryan here, Von Scheller Family Experience, and it is December 2021. We're out here in Marina, which is just a little bit north of Monterey on the west coast here in California. It is Cameron's 10th birthday. This is a really cool place called the Sanctuary Beach Resort. We came here 3 or 4 years ago. We've got friends that have came here. It's an awesome place because you can get these cool little suites that are, you can see behind me, right on the beach. I mean, you can see I just walked right out and walked right onto the beach. It's really cool. Usually wintertime out here, it's chilly, but I feel it's not as windy. So it's usually pretty nice out here. It's also typically whale season this time of year. So hopefully we'll see some whales out here cruising by. That's usually really neat. I've got the drone, so if I do see any whales out there, hopefully I could fly the drone out and catch some of them. The surfers are out, the paddle boards are out. Nice little break out here, and just getting our toes in the sand, and it's a beautiful day. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe. We're gonna be hanging out on the beach, pretty much just chilling and relaxing. Been doing a lot of moto lately, and that's what's nice about coming out here. We don't gotta pack up the RV, we don't gotta do anything. We just show up, relax, and enjoy the weekend for Cameron's birthday. So check out the fun, and thanks for watching. Here we go. One of the really cool things out here at, where are we at? The Sanctuary. They got fire pits out on the beach. They haven't lit them yet, so
we just lit it ourselves.
Took it upon myself to light it myself because it was cold. And
probably
so
gonna get yelled at here in a minute.
Yeah.
We're gonna get yelled at.
Anyways, so we're out here, just got it going. Sunset just went down.
No.
I hit it. The little local bar restaurant that they have here on property. It's called Smokewood. It's a nice restaurant. It's got
It's Saltwood.
Oh, I'm sorry, Saltwood. Saltwood, not Smokewood, Saltwood. Oyster and kitchen. So they've got we had the oysters. Melissa not so much liked them, but I like oysters, so we had those.
Corbin.
Corbin. Good little environment. They got a fireplace there that you can sit at around the fireplace. They got a big full bar. So full bar, full alcohol, and wine, of course. And Corbin's trying to get in this. Looks like they got an outside patio too, but it's too cold this time of year for that. I had the fish and chips, which was really good. Melissa had the salmon. The boys had chicken strips and
pasta.
Some. Hey, tell them what you had.
Butter
parm.
Butter parm.
Yeah. So we're heading back to the room now. We just finished our 3 days, 2 nights here at, where do we stay again? What's this place called?
I don't know.
The Sanctuary Beach Resort here in Marina. It's just a little ways from downtown Monterey. So we just got done playing another little round of volleyball. They got volleyball courts here, pool, and of course the amazing beach, which we spent a little bit of time out there. Not that much time, huh?
No, because the beach, the water's cold. No, it wasn't.
Water was cold. It's December, so.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't cold.
Corbin says it's not cold. Corbin says it wasn't cold, but.
He's crying.
Huh. Anyways, we just got done. It's a beautiful place. The room we had was a junior suite. We paid, I think, a little over $500 a night for it, which is about normal what we usually pay. But I talked to a buddy of mine. I think these upper ones, the ones that are kind of behind me here, I think those are called panoramic view ones, and those are like $800. So we were fine with the one that we had. It's right next to the one we had before. We take golf carts everywhere. We ate at the local restaurant. It's nice. The beach volleyball here that's kind of in the center of everything's got kind of some gravel in it. We found a nail, we found glass, so just be careful when if you're playing on it. They got bocce ball and the fire pits. We never did we didn't do s'mores. You can do s'mores out by the fire pits, but it was pretty cold at night, so that's why we didn't. So anyways, we're gonna venture down now to, I think, Monterey, and then head home. We're about 3 hours from home here. So check out this place. We love it. We've been here before, and I'll have a link to their website in the description below. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment if you've been here before and what your favorite part of it is. See ya.